So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can log in to a real broker account on Metatrader 5. So step number one is to head over to Metatrader 5 here, and you will then be on the quotes page that looks like this. Now to log into a real broker account, the first thing we need to do is head to the bottom right hand corner, click on settings, and then you want to go towards the top here, and then you want to click on the new account option. Once we select a new account, if you then go down to the bottom and click on the search icon, you then want to enter in the name of your broker. Now there is many different brokers, whichever broker you have chosen. For example, if I choose IC Markets, I will enter them into here. And then what should happen is you should see all of the different available brokers. Now you want to click on the one that you need. So for example, Raw Trading Limited, IC Markets SC. This information will be provided to you through your broker. Click on this. And from here, you want to now make sure that you click on the correct server type. So click on the server, and then you want to select the correct one here. And again, the details will be given to you by your broker. So click on the one that you want. And then all you need to do now is enter in your login credentials by entering in your login and password, which again will be given to you by your broker. So once you have entered in all this information, you can then go down to the bottom and the sign in will then be available to click. Click onto the sign in button and then that will then log you in to your broker account on Metatrader 5.